Espresso? Espresso is the foundation of most modern coffee drinks. It is made by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee under high pressure, creating a small but concentrated shot with a rich flavor and a golden layer of crema on top. Although it contains less liquid than other coffees, its bold taste makes it the base for many cafe favorites around the world. Americano? An Americano is made by adding hot water to one or more shots of espresso. This creates a drink that is similar in strength to traditional drip coffee, but keeps the rich flavor of espresso. Its name is believed to have become popular during World War II, when American soldiers diluted espresso to resemble the coffee they were used to drinking at home. Long black. A long black is especially popular in Australia and New Zealand. It is prepared by pouring espresso over hot water instead of adding water to the espresso. This method helps preserve the crema, giving the drink a fuller aroma and a slightly richer texture than an Americano. French press. French press coffee is made by steeping coarse coffee grounds in hot water for several minutes before pressing them down with a metal filter, because the oils remain in the coffee instead of being trapped by paper filters. The final drink has a rich body and a full, bold flavor. Cold brew. Cold brew is prepared by soaking coarse coffee grounds in cold water for many hours, usually between 12 and 24. Since heat is never used during brewing, the coffee develops a naturally smooth taste with lower acidity. It is commonly served over ice and is especially refreshing in warm weather. Iced coffee. Iced coffee is simply hot brewed coffee that has been cooled and poured over ice. Unlike cold brew, it starts with heat, which gives it a brighter and more traditional coffee flavor. Many people add milk, cream, or flavored syrups to create a refreshing summer drink. Cappuccino. A cappuccino combines equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. The thick foam creates a light and airy texture while softening the strength of the espresso underneath. It is one of the most recognizable coffee drinks and is often enjoyed in the morning in Italy. Latte. A latte contains espresso mixed with a generous amount of steamed milk and finished with a thin layer of foam. The larger amount of milk gives it a creamy texture and a mild coffee flavor, making it a popular choice for people who prefer a smoother drink. Mocha. A mocha blends espresso, steamed milk, and chocolate. The chocolate adds sweetness while still allowing the coffee to remain noticeable. It is often topped with whipped cream or cocoa powder, making it one of the richest and most dessert-like coffee drinks. Café au lait. Café au lait is a French coffee drink made with brewed coffee rather than espresso, mixed with warm milk in nearly equal amounts. Its lighter flavor and simple preparation have made it a breakfast favorite in many French homes and cafes. Red eye. A red eye combines a cup of drip coffee with a shot of espresso. The extra espresso gives the drink a stronger flavor and more caffeine, making it a popular choice for people who need an additional boost without changing the familiar taste of regular coffee. Nitro coffee. Nitro coffee is cold brew infused with nitrogen gas before serving. The tiny nitrogen bubbles create a creamy texture and a naturally smooth finish without adding milk. It is usually served straight from a tap and often has a thick, cascading foam that resembles a dark stout beer. Turkish coffee. Turkish coffee is one of the oldest coffee brewing methods still in use today. Finely ground coffee is simmered with water in a small pot called a sez, often with sugar added during brewing. The coffee is served unfiltered, leaving the grounds at the bottom of the cup while producing a thick and aromatic drink. Vietnamese coffee. Vietnamese coffee is traditionally brewed with a small metal filter placed directly over the cup. It is often mixed with sweetened condensed milk, creating a rich and creamy drink that balances the strong flavor of dark roasted coffee. It can be served either hot or over ice. Affogato. An affogato is a simple combination of coffee and dessert. A hot shot of espresso is poured over a scoop of vanilla ice cream or gelato, creating a contrast between hot and cold. As the ice cream slowly melts, it mixes with the espresso into a creamy and flavorful treat. Irish coffee. Irish coffee combines hot coffee with Irish whiskey, sugar, and lightly whipped cream. It was first created to warm travelers arriving on cold nights and has since become a classic after-dinner drink. The cream floats on top, allowing the warm coffee to be sipped through it. A cortado comes from Spain and is made by mixing equal parts espresso and warm milk. The milk reduces the sharpness of the espresso without overpowering it, creating a balanced drink that still allows the coffee's natural flavors to stand out. Flat white. The flat white was developed in Australia or New Zealand, although both countries claim its origin. It combines espresso with silky microfoam instead of thick foam, creating a smooth drink where the coffee flavor remains more noticeable than in a latte. Drip coffee. Drip coffee is one of the most common ways to enjoy coffee at home and in offices. Hot water slowly passes through medium ground coffee held in a paper or metal filter before collecting in a pot. The result is a smooth, balanced drink that is easy to make in large amounts.